front of me is POCO M8 and today I would like to show you how you can set up AppLog. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Apps section available here. Now click on AppLog and choose Turn On. Now, before doing anything, make sure to tap on Change Password and pick the best login method for your apps, pattern, PIN or password. After tapping on the best one for you, it's time to create it. If you made a mistake, don't worry, just click on this button at the bottom left corner and redo it. If you are sure of your AppLog, you can enter it again to confirm it and select Next at the bottom right corner to continue. Now you can either sign in and add your Xiaomi account now, or hit Not Now, wait 5 seconds and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Finally, if you wanna lock all of those apps, hit Use AppLog right away. If you don't, you need to click on all of them and check for 0 over here. Then tap on Use AppLog. If you want to allow your fingerprint to unlock your apps, hit Settings in the pop-up and follow all of the instructions from your screen. To do it later, hit Cancel. Now to lock any app, use gray switcher next to it and go back. So now when I check it out, I can see that AppLog is required. If you want to disable AppLog from any app, use the same button until it's gray. If you wish to disable AppLog on your smartphone, click on this gear at the top right corner. Use blue switcher next to AppLog and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!